Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be shopping for each body type, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. I love these elastic pull-on pants from Scoop for an apple body type. So they have that side pocket. It's a poplin material. They have the toggle at the bottom so you can do jogger or wide leg, and then that seam kind of fit through the back. So these are a high rise. They have that elastic waistband. I think with the apple you can do either the wide leg or the jogger style. These also come in camel, so now we're seeing them in green for the first time, and they're $22. So restock the higher neck boxy option. So these are a flowy fit. They have the drop sleeve, same fit through the back in the black, and then they also have them in white, and those are also $9. I love this shirt dress for an apple body type. I think this is just a universally flattering piece, but it really is going to help that apple body type because it is a thicker poplin material. You can pull in the waist, it's nice and relaxed through the body. It has a little bit of a drop sleeve, button detail on the wrist with the gathering, and then the seam going down the back, so it's not going across. These are $28. That is this new puff sleeve tee from Free Assembly. It has that higher neckline. This is a poplin material with the embroidering. The t-shirt material through the body, it's stretchy with good length in the green. Also comes in solid white, and they are going to be $14. New prints in the cropped graphic tees from No Boundaries. These have that higher neckline, drop sleeve. It's a relaxed fit with that raw hem. Now in this gray, we saw it in the pink butterfly, and then that brown and black color, and these are $9.98. New wide leg jeans from No Boundaries. So these are high rise. They have the whiskering. It's a thicker denim with elastic at the top. And these are $14.98. And then also new crop jackets from Madden NYC. These are a twill material. They have that drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the two flat pockets, snap buttons all the way down with the elastic. And then that seam detail comes in the black. It looks like on the tag they have a beige. And these are $20. New tie front tops from Sofia Vergara. So these are a linen material. They match back to the shorts. We saw those previously. These have that smaller collar, full button. Ties in the front. You do have to tie it, or you could tuck it in. Button detail on the wrist, and then that seam detailing on the sides and the back. So you can see it kind of like pulls in. They are going to be $22. It comes in the palm print, and then they also have it in the white. Pioneer woman dress. So this one has that split V. It has fabric covered buttons embroidered through the sleeve with the elastic, and then it's a relaxed fit through the front, also in the back. Also new off the shoulder dresses from Time and True. So these have the elastic balloon sleeve. It's a nice lightweight material, flowy fit, has the pockets, and then that seam fit through the back. In this green and white print, also the chambray, and they are $16.98. So new flutter sleeve dress from Time and True. So this one has that V neckline, the flutter sleeve. It's a lightweight material, elastic through the waist with that drop tiered bottom, and then it has that same fit through the back. But these are online, it looks like. There's no price. New strapless tops from No Boundaries. So this has that crochet top, the microfiber stretchy material at the bottom. It is a longer flowy length, so you do have coverage. It's not cropped, and it's also smocked in the back. So it comes in the red, white, blue with the black crochet top, the blue and white floral. There's a red bandana print, and then a white. Here's a white with the red and light blue stripes, and those are $10.98. Strapless jumpsuit from No Boundaries. So these have the smocking at the top, drawstring at the waist, the side pocket, flowy through the leg, and then continues around the back. And the red also comes in black, and they're $17.98. The first thing I'm seeing are these denim jackets from Scoop. It has that mid-size collar, it's a zip, the two flat pockets, drop sleeve, relaxed through the wrists. It's lined on the inside. It is a shorter boxy fit. This is the 2XL. There's the extra small. And then it has that same kind of fit through the back. They are going to be $28. I love these tops from Scoop for a rectangle body type. They have that scoop neckline, they have the puff sleeve, the elastic with the cutouts on the side, so that's going to give you that, you know, curve in the waist. And then it also has the zipper in the back. Comes in pink, there's white, and the black, and these are regularly $24. They have a new style of parachute pants from No Boundaries. So these have that elastic waistband, the toggle side pocket. This is more of a twill material, and then they have that jogger bottom. The other style we saw a couple months ago had more of like a windbreaker style. So these come in black. They also come in this mocha, and they are going to be $13.98. So the first thing I'm seeing are these sneak peek dresses. They have the thin strap, full button down. They are functioning buttons. Has that seam detail, the drop tier, and then smocking in the back. In the black, also comes in the rust, and they're $17.98. Rompers from No Boundaries did pop up online. So they have the thin strap, that scoop neckline. It's a stretchy t-shirt material at the top, and then a windbreaker short. Has the cargo style pockets with the toggle, and then that same kind of fit through the back. They are $13.48. I did see them in another color. New tier dress from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, that ruffled trim, faux buttons, flowy, and then it's smocked in the back. And the beige and white also comes in that black and white floral. There's the pink floral and the green, and they're $14.98. Free people look for less from Avia. So these have the thick strap, scoop neckline, banded waist. It's a flowy windbreaker short, and it does have the lining on the inside. The back has that crisscross with the zippered pocket. In the lavender, also comes in olive, and they're $24.98. Jumpsuits from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, the wrap style, sneak peek halter neck linen dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the ruching with this little cutout detail. It's sleeveless, has that band at the waist, flowy skirt, and then smocked in the back. And this one is going to be $36. So new mesh dresses from No Boundaries. So this one has the thin strap, that scoop neckline. It's a cowl with the seam detailing at the waist, asymmetrical bottom, and then squared in the back. And this blue print also comes in the black with the pink flowers, and they're also $14.98. New terry tops with the matching shorts. So these are strapless. The material looks like up close, so it is like kind of textured. It's shorter through the front and then also in the back. And then the shorts have that elastic waistband. They're pull-on with the side pockets. And this red also comes in the blue. The blue has butterflies. The red has rainbows. And the two pieces are going to be $13.48. New dress from Sofia Vergara. So this one has the plunging V-neckline, the little cutout, elastic on the wrist, flowy with the drop tier, and then that seam fit through the back. And this one is going to be $34. They also have these new ruched leggings. So these look like a high rise. They're that super soft kind of stretchy microfiber material. So they have the ruching on the waist. They're $8.98. They have that brown. New denim dress from Free Assembly. This has elastic neckline, the flutter sleeve, drawstring in the waist with the pockets, nice and flowy. I think we saw this one in a few other prints and colors, and they're $28. Now available online are these Tinseltown cargo pants. I know they had something similar a couple months ago, but they weren't available online. I just checked. These are available. So they have the high rise pork chop pocket, has that flat pocket, wider through the leg, and then elastic in the back. And this taupe color also comes in black and the camo, and they're $17.98. Mid-rise, they have the tortoise button, the side pocket. It looks like they're a little bit of a tapered leg. And then they have the trouser style pockets in the back in both the navy and white. And those are $26. Also new puff sleeve sweater from Celebrity Pink. So this has that squared neckline, the puff sleeve with the ribbing, fitted through the body, same kind of fit through the back, and these are $13.50. I love this dress from Scoop for an hourglass or pear shape. So this has that higher neckline, sleeveless, flowy skirt. It's fitted up until the waist point and then flows out really nicely. And then it's the same kind of fit through the back. It comes in this stripe, and then we also saw it in black. I think they have a couple new colors online, and they're going to be $34. New rosette pieces. So these tanks are from No Boundaries. They have the thick strap scoop neckline, that rose detail with the little fringe, ruching on the side. And these are available online in the red. Also comes in black, and they're $9.98. Wash in the Sophia jeans. So how cute are these? It's a thicker denim. You guys know I love the Melissa Fleur. They're high rise. They have just a little bit of whiskering. The finished bottom in this new light chambray. It's perfect for summer if you don't like wearing shorts. I think that's it. And these are going to be $24. New relaxed fit v-neck tees from Free Assembly. So these are a soft stretchy material. They have the v-neck line relaxed fit. This is the extra small in the black, and then this is the 2XL, and they're $9 in the white and black. New sleeveless sweater dresses from Free Assembly. So they have that higher neckline. They're sleeveless, fitted through the body. It's a midi length, that same kind of fit through the back. And then the white trim detailing at the top, and then also on the sides in the green and white, also in black and white, and they are going to be $30. New square neck tops from No Boundaries. So these have that rounded but squared, has the cap sleeve ruching on the side, and the red also comes in white and the nude, and they're $8.98. So these new button down tops from Free Assembly. So it has that ruffled neckline, full button down, the flutter sleeve. This is the extra small, so it is more of a boxy fit, but still good length, with the seam detailing in the back. And the white poplin also comes in this darker denim, and they are going to be $22. First thing I'm seeing are these cap sleeve dresses from No Boundaries. So they have that sweetheart neckline, this little ruching, the cap sleeve fitted through the body. This is the extra large. It kind of flows out, and then it has this seam detailing in the back. In the brown floral, this is the purple, and these are going to be $10. Also new from No Boundaries are these lace dresses. So they have the squared neckline. It's a midi length. You can see it has that handkerchief bottom. Lace trim detail under the bust. Squared in the back. In the pink also comes in olive, and they're $17.98. New flare jeans from No Boundaries. So these are high rise. They have the pockets flared at the bottom, and then the same fit through the back. In the light chambray also comes in the mid-tone, and they are $14.98. New, like pleated, flowy short from Free Assembly. So these have that higher rise. They have the side button with the zipper, this pleated detailing with the side pocket. It's what the material looks like up close, and they do like flow out more to the side. Kind of gives it like a skirt look, with the trouser style pockets in the back. In the white also comes in navy, and they're $20. New square neck dresses from No Boundaries. So these have that cap sleeve, the square neckline. It's a thicker stretchy material fitted through the body. In the black also comes in the blue. So another trend for summer 2024 is the sky blue color, and they're $10. And then also in that same blue are these rib tops. So these are super soft and stretchy. They have the squared neckline, the cap sleeve. It's a shorter fit, and these also come in ivory, and they're $8.98. New denim dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thick strap scoop neckline, seam detailing under the bust. It's also squared in the back in the acid wash black, also in that mid-tone denim, and these are $17.98. I also love this high neck dress for an inverted triangle. So this is a sneak peek item. It has that band around the neck, sleeveless. It's kind of relaxed through the body, and then it's that same fit through the back with the zipper. It comes in this green and blue houndstooth, also in the black, and they're $34. Noticing more than ever this summer that there's a lot of like sweater tanks and shorts and just like pieces in general. So this is from Free Assembly. It has that higher neckline, sleeveless, has the ribbed bottom with the keyhole in the back. Comes in the black and white stripe, also in the solid white, and they're $20. This is a sneak peek item. It's from No Boundaries. So it has the crew neckline, cap sleeve, super stretchy. It's midi length, and then the same fit through the back. And these are going to be $12.96. It also comes in snakeskin. So I have a new color in the Marisol boot cut with the cargo pocket. So these are a mid-rise. They have the seam detailing, flat pocket, the boot cut bottom, and then pockets on the back. And we saw them, I think they were in like a mid-tone wash, and they're going to be $24.50. Then sneak peek dress from Scoop. This one has the thicker strap. The plunging V neckline has that asymmetrical seam detailing. It's a flowy skirt. And then it also has the V in the back, and these are $34. Sneak peek dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, the plunging V seam detailing under the bust with the drop tier. It's scoops in the back in the red and white, and these are $14.98. Also new from Celebrity Pink are these parachute wide leg pants. So these have the hard button, drawstring at the waist, side pocket with the flat pocket. You could do jogger or straight leg or wide leg. And then they have the pockets in the back. And the green with the gold hardware. And then they also have this camel color with the silver. And they're $21.50. New parachute skirts from No Boundaries. These have that elastic waistband with the toggle side pocket. It has the flat pocket through the side, and then also has that toggle on the side so you can make it a little bit shorter. And then the slit in the back. In the olive, also comes in the black, and they're $11.98. New drop tier dresses from Time & Tree. So these have that smaller collarful button down up until the waist point, and then it has that drop tier. That's what the material looks like up close. Has the side pocket, and then the seam detailing in the back. Comes in teal, also in the beige and linen stripe. That's what that looks like up close. There's also that multicolored print. We saw that in the halter neck stretchy cotton dress. This was more of that lightweight material. And then also in a blue and white stripe in the linen. And they're $16.98. New ruche t-shirt dresses from Time & Tree. So these have that scoop neckline, super soft and stretchy. The ribbing is around the neckline, short sleeve with the one side that has that ruche. We saw in the trend video that the asymmetrical bottom is huge trend for summer. Comes in the olive, also in the black, and they are $11.98. And is going to be the longer length skirt, so maxi length. These have an elastic waistband, tiers all the way down. It's a nice kind of textured material through the front and the back. These are from No Boundaries. It comes in the black, also in the white. These are really nice for the price. They're only $11.98. Also new dolman tee from Scoop. So these have that higher neckline. It has that banded side, also the ruching on the side, and it scoops in the middle. The back has that same kind of fit. These are really stretchy in the white, and they're going to be $18. New color in the crochet dress from Time & Tree. So these have the higher neckline. They're sleeveless, tiers all the way down. The little keyhole in the back now. And this really pretty coral also comes in this new nude color. We saw it in black and olive, and they're $16.98. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.